My name is Madhavi, and I'm from Amity School, Dubai. This is the assignment that was given to us on the second day of STEMpedia boot camp. The assignment was to complete a maze game using backgrounds and sprites. So this was a very interesting experience for me to be making a maze in Python, because we have done these games, exactly these games in Scratch, but to do it in Python was altogether a new experience. So this is my program where I have selected the beetle sprite from the sprites gallery, and then we are choosing the background of the maze from the background gallery. We are setting the direction of the sprite to 0, which means this is the direction. So you can see that the sprite will move according to that. So we have set the beetle to come to the starting of the game, that is right where we have placed the coordinates. Now if you want it to be placed exactly here, and if you want it to have these coordinates, the x and y, so we can always set it here also to 150, so that you don't have to actually manually place it. Then you have reduced the size of the beetle, which was initially by default it is 100. Sorry, the size, here it is 0, and the size is by default 100, but we change it to 50 so that it can move easily through the maze without touching the sides of the maze. And then we are checking in the while loop if the key, which of the four keys are pressed, whether it's an up arrow, a down arrow, and we are directing these sprite to move in that particular direction. So you can see that here in the code it specifies if the up arrow is clicked, then you move it in that direction, means you move 5 steps. Set direction 0 is, again, it has to remain in the same way as it is right now. But if it is if the down arrow is pressed, our direction would be 180 degree, so that will be so that will be facing downwards like that. Now if you're pressing the left arrow, then your direction will be your left arrow direction is -90, so yeah, that is the direction. And then if it is the right arrow, then it has to go all the way to the right till it is 90, of course. So negative and positive, left and arrow, they are opposite directions. Now to make the game more challenging, we were asked to make the sprite come back to its home position if it touches the black line. So we have used the RGB code here, where 0 stands for the black color, where red, green and blue, the three of those are 0, has the value 0, 0, 0. So if it touches the black color, it has to come back. And finally, if it touches a red color, which is our apple, it has to say that the game is over. The program has to say the game is over. So now let's run the program and let's see if it faces a challenge. Yes, it comes back, so that is working properly. And then we are testing the different arrow keys, whether it's moving in the desired position. And so far it's going well. Up arrow, and we have reached the apple, and that's it. Thank you so much, STEMpedia. I'm playing with the game just like a small child, and I'm so excited to be a part of the coming sessions.